Hi all. This is the Excel simulation of a spiral which moves upwards, and as it moves upwards in the y direction, the radius of the ellipse reduces. So this is the major axis A, the major radius A. This is the minor radius B. XC and YC is the center of the ellipse. So what I have plotted is I plotted the equation of the ellipse, but the difference is the the major radius which goes on decrementing, it decreases by 0.002, and the center of the ellipse, the y of the center of the ellipse, that increases by 0.002. So what it essentially means is the spiral will move upwards, will become 0, the radius will become 0, then it will become negative. That's why it looks like a cone, another cone inverted on one cone. So here we have plotted 15,000 points, with the equation being the ellipse equation, and we can change the initial parameters to see how it looks. We can change the minor radius as well. We can change it to 10, say, and let's say we make the major radius to 22. That's how it looks like. We make both bend 20, 20, inclination 45. Inclination is here, it's 45. So these are the different shapes we can achieve with that. So 15, 3, make the inclination at 0. Now let's rotate. So when I'm rotating, it's moving by 1 degrees. The inclination changes by 1 degrees, and there is a Visual Basic program that is running behind the scene, that is rotating the inclination, and with every change of angle, it recalculates all the x's and all the y's. So it recalculates 15,000 points, 15,000 x and 15,000 y. So it calculates almost 30,000 calculations for each change of inclination. That's why the program we are seeing, the movement we are seeing is slow, and the streaming is not that continuous. It is not that seamless, because what we need for this kind of calculation or this kind of modeling, which requires huge number of mathematical calculation and faster calculation, what we need is an advanced software and advanced processor, or high processing power, high horsepower rather. But for simpler simulation that deals with less number of data points, I think we're in good hands. Excel is good enough. Thank you so much. Let's see a little bit change of initial parameters here and there. See, let's change the y to 0, to say 10, to 5, 0, minus 10. Okay, so let's go back to our initial shape where a was 15, b was 3, and the angle was 0. Here you go. Thank you all. Thanks.